Welcome to the Mirka Workshop. My name's Trey.
And I'm Courtney. Today we're thrilled to unbox the brand new MirkaLtd DEXOS 1217M AFC dust extractor.
We've been eagerly waiting for this one, so let's dive right in.
Absolutely, Trey. But before we dive into what's inside, let's talk about the design of the package and why it's so special. We've gone for a minimalistic design with a natural brown box that has a simple organic appeal.
The appeal of the box reflects our commitment to sustainability, and it was important to us that this design choice communicates that.
It is also Key Flag registered, which means that the product is made in Finland and meets high quality standards. The Key Flag certification guarantees that the product is made from domestic materials and supports the local economy and job market. What I love are the non-verbal communication elements. These simple icons clearly highlight the product features without needing a ton of text. It's intuitive and user-friendly. Moreover, the box is designed with good recyclability in mind. The materials used are eco-friendly and easily recyclable. We've ensured that no additional outer packaging is needed, reducing waste and minimizing our environmental footprint.
Plus, the packaging is robust enough for transport, ensuring that our products reach customers safely. Enough about the outside. Let's see what's inside.
User manuals. There we go. Wow, looks fantastic. It's compact and sleek, and it's designed to fit perfectly in any workshop. The signature Mirka yellow and black color scheme really stands out.
And that compact design is not just for looks. It makes the DEXOS easy to clean, maintain, and easy to transport.
And the dust extractor is designed with user ergonomics in mind. I really like how easy it is to carry with you, and the ability to store items inside and on the top of the dust extractor. It features a user-friendly brake, hose, and cable storage inside the top lid. It's also easy to replace the dust bag, cooling filter, and the dust filter. Stay tuned for more videos where we dive deeper into the features and benefits of the MirkaLtd DEXOS 1217M AFC dust extractor. See you next time.